Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make a significant difference for anyone who relies heavily on outdoor power tools, the DEWALT 20V Max Lithium-ion Battery 2-pack, specifically the 5.0Ah model. We've found this product online, and you can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DEWALT 20V Max 5.0Ah Battery 2-pack? In simple terms, this is a powerful lithium-ion battery designed to provide you with extended runtime and optimal performance for your outdoor equipment. Whether you're using a lawn mower, a leaf blower, or other outdoor tools, this battery is engineered to keep your devices running smoothly without the inconvenience of frequent recharging. Let's break down some of its most important features. First off, each battery in this pack has a capacity of 5.0Ah, which means they offer a higher energy output compared to lower capacity options. This translates to longer work sessions, allowing you to tackle bigger projects without interruption. Additionally, these batteries are designed with a lightweight construction, making them easy to handle and minimizing fatigue during extended use. Another standout feature is the DEWALT's lithium-ion technology, which ensures that these batteries charge quickly and hold their charge longer than traditional batteries. This is particularly useful when you're in the middle of a big job and need to swap out a dead battery for a fresh one. Plus, the batteries come equipped with a fuel gauge, allowing you to easily check the remaining power at a glance. This feature can save you time and help you plan your work more effectively. So, who is this product suitable for? The DEWALT 20V Max 5.0Ah Battery 2-pack is perfect for homeowners who take pride in maintaining their lawns and gardens, as well as professionals in landscaping and outdoor maintenance. If you're someone who uses outdoor power tools frequently, this battery pack will be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're in the middle of mowing your lawn, and one battery runs out of juice. Instead of having to stop and wait for it to charge, you can simply swap it out for the second battery in the pack and keep going. This is especially beneficial during peak growing seasons when you want to keep your yard looking its best without interruption. Another scenario could involve using a cordless leaf blower. During fall, when leaves are constantly falling, having a reliable power source is crucial. With the DEWALT 20V Max batteries, you can switch between multiple tools without having to worry about running out of power, making your yard work more efficient and less of a chore. In summary, the DEWALT 20V Max Lithium-ion Battery 2-pack, featuring 5.0Ah capacity, offers exceptional performance for anyone using outdoor power equipment. With its quick charging capabilities, lightweight design, and extended runtime, it's engineered to keep you productive and focused on your tasks rather than worrying about battery life. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.